In this video, I'll show you how to create QR code for Google Form. So let's get started. First, go to Google Forms. You can either select a form you've already created or start a new one from scratch. In my case, I'm going to use a form I made earlier. It doesn't matter what kind of form it is, just make sure it's ready and working the way you want before you share it using a QR code. Now once your form is set up, click the Send button in the top right corner. Then click on the link icon, check the box that says Shorten URL, and copy that shortened link. Now let's turn that link into a QR code. Once your design opens, go to the Apps tab on the left-hand side. Then in the search box, type QR code. Then wait a minute. You should see an app called QR code appear. Click on it. Now, paste the shortened Google Form URL you copied earlier into the box, and click Generate Code. This will create your QR code instantly. You can resize and position it however you like. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.